Hey everyone, welcome back. In our last lecture, we discussed that Node.js comes with several useful built-in modules. These modules allow us to work with files, interact with the operating system, manage network requests, and much more. So, let's take a quick look at these built-in modules. First, head over to Node.org, navigate to the docs section, and select the latest stable version. The version doesn't really matter. Just pick the latest available one. Now in the table of contents, you will see a list of built-in modules. Keep in mind that not everything listed here is a module. For example, we have console, which is a global object. However, among this list, some items are actual built-in modules. Node doesn't have a vast number of built-in modules, but there are some crucial ones you should be aware of. For instance, the FS module allows you to work with the file system. The HTTP module helps you create web servers that listen for HTTP requests. The OS module provides information about the operating system. The path module offers utility functions for working with file paths. The process module provides information about the current node process. The query string module helps parse and format query strings. The stream module allows you to work with streaming data. And of course, there are many others. In this lecture, we're going to explore the path module. If you check the documentation, you'll see all the functions provided by this module. One of the most useful functions is parse. Let's switch over to VS Code and use it in our project. In our app.js file, we'll use the require function to import the path module. Since path is a built-in module, Node automatically recognizes it without requiring a relative file path. Here's how we do it. Const path equals require path. Now that we have the path module, let's use its parse method. We'll pass underscore file name as an argument. Remember, underscore file name is one of the arguments available inside the module wrapper function. This method will return an object containing useful properties like root, the root directory, dir, the directory path, base, the full file name including extension, ext, the file extension, name, the file name without the extension. You'll see an object displaying all these useful properties, making it much easier to work with file paths compared to handling raw strings manually. In the next lecture, we'll explore another built-in module that provides valuable information about the operating system. I hope to see you in the course.